One Take Tyler here from Vernon Toyota. Today we're going to have a look at this 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan. It is a Highline, so very well equipped. Has the 2-liter turbo engine, all-wheel drive, fog lights on the front there. It does have a set of winter tires on steel rims, keyless entry, leather interior, the nice big panoramic sunroof with the roof rails there. It does have a power cover over that. Heated front seats, manual mode so you can gear down hills, Bluetooth, electronic park brake. The rear seats do fold nearly flat, so a good amount of cargo space there. This one has not been detailed yet, and we still have the summer rims in the back. Nice set of alloys there. Lots of space in the rear. It does have a hitch on the back, so a small trailer or most likely a bike rack, that sort of thing. There's your 2-liter TSI. So just over 142,000 kilometers on this 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan, in great condition, no real bumps or bruises on it, maybe a couple of rock chips, but otherwise looking really good. Asking $14,995 plus fees and taxes. If I can give you any more information, give me a shout at Vernon Toyota, 250-545-0687. Thanks and have a great day.